I ain't known for playing either. We gets it done, my boy. He trying to get insurance money. You know, they'll text them, and they don't want to get my dollars. So I'm going to block you, bro. Like, ooh.
My boy Trip, man. We working, you know what I'm saying? We working. Get up, man. Dang. Oh, okay. Cool deal, man. Guess we'll go ahead and pick it up then. All right, man. We finna go to the bank right now, man. I'm headed to the bank. All right. Headed to the bank.
Niggas, they don't want no beef. I'm putting they ass to sleep. You wanna be 6 feet? Hey, bitch, I'm talking about deep. Niggas, they ain't heard of me. You know I'm from Shady T. You know I told that heat. So nigga, please, nigga, you better hurt. Yeah, I'm talking about hush. Bitch, you gon' be in the hearse. That's gon' be a rush. Niggas can't fuck with us. And that's a fucking must. Nigga, I put that on my daddy. That's a fucking must.
What up with the guys? It's your boy Doing. Y'all tune into another video, man. Alright, man, we heading to the bank, man. Y'all already know what's up, man. So, let's get up in here real quick. Man, alright. Get some light in this thing, man. Make sure I got my wallet. Make sure we got everything. So, guys, as y'all see, man, we get the call about the car, man. The car is ready. So, man, we just doing take some money out. We're gonna be talking some numbers. After that, man, y'all will get a video. Tune in. Stay tuned, guys. So, man, we got to talking numbers, you know what I'm saying? We had a talk yesterday, you know, so what happened was, y'all know how y'all send y'all car to a shop, and then you turn around, expect it to be only one problem, but it'd be a whole nother issue, then another issue, then another issue. So what happened was, y'all know when I first got the car, y'all know we had a lot of wires and stuff, right? All right, so my thing was, once the transmission went out, cool. I call around, you know, get some prices and everything on the transmission. So y'all tell me, you know, y'all do the transmission and all that. So I was like, you know, fuck it. We just gonna put a little shift kit in it and we're gonna get the whole thing rebuilt. Cool. But turns out, hey, you need this, this, and this too. Okay, boom, get that. All right. Well, that's gonna be extra. So I'm like, cool, you know, put it at the tab. He wanted it right then. So in my mind, I'm like, damn. So does the $200 worth of stuff I need, y'all can't put that on the bill? Like, I gotta bring the money up there now. All right, so I didn't really like that part, but I was like, all right, cool, you know, I'll just gonna bring you 200. All right, cool. Don't get me wrong now. He say he top notch, big dog. So I'm the type, I ain't gonna pressure nobody. I ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying, hold everybody just showing up, you know, I'm just gonna wait. So by the time I did that, I'm like, all right, so let me call. Oh man, David, yeah, we said you probably gonna need a dry shell. Okay, what's wrong with the other dry shell? Oh man, it's beat up, it's this is that. I'll take it to get a weld. Okay, boom. So I take it to get a weld, then hey, they can't do nothing about it. Fuck it. I gotta buy a whole new dry shell. Yes, sir. Okay. I'm up at Power Thing. I'm gonna call you right back. Okay.
I guess we have to walk on the 454-2747.
I gotta call All right, man, so we leaving. Leaving. But he did say we fixed the breaker thing. Y'all know I had the little breaker thing under my wheel. I mean, under my steering wheel, whatever, to turn the car off and stuff. You know, it was just kind of rigged, whatever. He said he done fixed all that stuff. He was like, you'll like it. I'm like, cool. Let's go up in this, man. See what we got, man. Damn, I forgot I can't even get 500 at a time. I forgot about that. Y'all stay tuned, man, to the channel. All right, man, we good now, so. Leaving the bank, guys. Monte Carlo's ready. By the way, it's the 84 Monte Carlo SS, man, the true SS. All right, man, so gotta walk in there and grab my new one. Oh, so they couldn't do nothing with this one, but I got on the new one. I got a new one of these. Y'all took that shit off. Yo, I had to get that. Yo, shit, but this one's still good. Well, this part they said it was good, but this shit here, shit's fucked up. Oh, we got our new one. Put that mug in the trunk. All right, guess they painted that motherfucker, but yeah, that's our new one, man. This all that hand oil and shit, but yeah, man. I got a new drive shelf. Y'all seen the new drive shelf. We got the transmission rebuilt. We got the breakers and everything back right. You know, we got the mount and stuff on the transmission, the cross member. We got all this stuff back. We're gonna see how this thing gonna turn out, man. We're gonna see how everything. So like I said, we finna go there now. Now I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna have to go back in the motor and do I did tune up, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to do the oil change, valve cover gas and shit like that, you know, just in case if I need it, just whatever it needs. I'm not saying that it does need it. Like I said, man, I haven't had that car so long, I ain't even just know what all I had to do to it. He spent $425 on the dry shelf to get redid, because the other one, it was fucked up. I still got it. So that's $425. All right, man, so we dropping 2 videos back to back today, man. So y'all stay tuned with your boy. Hey, episode 1, man. Y'all subscribe to the channel. Don't forget for episode 2 coming today. Get ready. Turn on post notifications on. Picking up the SS Monte Carlo. Let's get it.